Hello, welcome to another video. Today I am making a foot balm, and today you need something to stir your liquid in, and we're gonna start with some coconut oil, and this is solid. We're gonna go with some shea butter. We're gonna go with some beeswax. And we're gonna go with some Coca butter wafers. And we're gonna melt all this together. I'm gonna melt it for about 250, and if it needs to melt again, then I will put it in for another 30 seconds. So at this moment, we're just waiting. Alright, so it's done. So I went ahead, guys, because I forget to turn on back the camera, and I add my peppermint oil to it. So easy to make, but just make sure you follow the instruction and the recipe. If you need a recipe, just send to me. Just drop me a note or a comment, and I will make sure you got it. I'm going to show you how these turn out to be. See if they can form before I stop the video. Always make sure you have a gloves on. And here we go. Looks perfect to me. Thank you guys for watching, and it smells wonderful, guys. You can see how quickly it formed. Thank you.